I'm Dr. Lynn Nelson, Professor of Veterinary Medicine and Assistant Director of the Bear Center at Washington State University. Did you know that hibernating bears can teach us a lot about humans? That may sound odd at first, but the heart of a hibernating bear shares some of the characteristics of diseased hearts in people and in pets, but yet the bear heart quickly and fully recovers once hibernation is completed. Understanding what happens to a bear's heart during hibernation may help us understand more about what goes on in people with heart disease. So that's why some of my research is conducted at WSU's Bear Research Center. The Bear Center is home to grizzly bears, both adults and cubs, like the mother and the cubs you're watching now. There are fewer than 1,000 grizzly bears left in the lower 48 states, so it's truly a privilege to be here and observe and study the grizzlies at WSU. Our Bear Center is the only place in the world that houses adult grizzly bears, so scientists from all over the world come to visit and work here. Since it was founded in 1986, the Bear Center has two primary missions. The first is to provide a valued research facility supported by the diverse faculty, facilities, and students of WSU, a major research-based university. The second mission is to educate students and the general public about bears, their needs, their role in nature, and how humans can interact with them safely. If you visit the Bear Center, you might see bears participating in non-invasive research procedures such as ultrasound exams. During the summer, the bears are rewarded with honey for participating in these studies, and because all bears love honey, they eagerly participate in the research. Students and the scientists they study with research such diverse topics such as nutritional requirements, early maternal behavior, foraging behavior, and the ability of the bears to meet their nutritional needs from vegetation, berries, and other foods. We also study medical-related topics because of the parallels and differences to disease states in people and in pets. This research has medical implications for humans having illnesses requiring prolonged bed rest, astronauts on long space missions, those suffering from seasonal affective disorder, and older people, particularly women, with osteoporosis. Students also participate in field studies in Yellowstone National Park and in the wilderness areas of Alaska. By studying bears both in the wild and captivity, we get a more complete picture of how wild bears live and thrive. The captive bears are an important source of information or a means to develop new techniques that then can be applied to understanding the needs of wild bears. In fact, it is the combination of these studies using both captive and wild bears that makes the WSU Bear program unique. Much of the work done at the Bear Center is funded by gifts from people who think that having bears in the wild is a good idea, and by people who appreciate that bears can teach us a lot about ourselves. Donations make life good for the bears and help support students studying wildlife. To learn more about the Bear Center and the work we do here, just follow the links at the end of the video.